Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And unfortunately today I will have to do something that I don't like at all to do. So guys, I've been working on the cooling system. I already changed a few things, placed a metal hose in the cooling system. I replaced the expansion tank, but I will replace it again because I don't like this cap over here. So I bought another expansion tank with a cap. I don't like this one. But guys, the problem is everything seems okay when I replace the hose. There's no leaks, so the job was well done. But the thing is, I was driving to take the car for a car wash because it's really dirty, and that car wash stays about 2 or 3 kilometers from my house, and suddenly I just received a warning saying that I don't have coolant in the expansion tank. So guys, I stopped the car and the expansion tank was empty. So I'll start searching, because I remove a bunch of hoses and to replace the metal hose, and I thought, okay, it could be some leak or something, but it was not. Every connections were pretty good, no leaks, and I couldn't find nothing where the coolant goes. And I realized that the driver's side was fully wet and my heater core has some problem. You may be wondering why you don't replace the heater core. The problem is, I do videos on my holidays, but the thing is, to replace the heater core in this car I need to remove all the dashboard, everything needs to come out, and it's a really messy thing to do. So I start thinking, and my best option right now is to bypass the heater core. So it's what I'm gonna do, and I will leave that for the end of this restoration because I need time to do it, and right here I cannot do it. I need to take the car to my mother's house and I need to bypass this thing. So guys, probably already saw someone bypassing that heater core, but it's something that I don't recommend to do. It's okay to do it, but don't do that permanently. It's preferred to replace the heater core. So guys, I bought this set of hoses. This is from Ford. I'm not sure if I can do it with some of these hoses, but I just bought this one because these ones have one hose with a U format. So if I cannot skip with any one of this, I will cut these ones and try to do something with this. So guys, this two hose over here, it's the hose that goes inside to the heater core, and that is the hose that I will try to bypass. Basically, I will head the hose right here and goes directly to the other hose. So guys, there is a lot of people that do this, and there is already some connections that are ready to do that. In Amazon you can find the AU connection that is ready to do this, but that will take a lot of time to arrive, so I decided to buy this kit of hose and try to bypass that thing. So guys, let's go try to access this hose over here and try to bypass it. Let's go. Unfortunately, to get my things worth, this thing is broken. I was trying to remove the hose and I just pull a little bit and this is broken, and seems that someone already glued this. I'm not sure how, but I will have to buy one of these. I already saw if there is new for sale, and it is. So guys, I will try to bypass the heater core and try to do something in here. Let's go. At least I found a hose that I can bypass without, buy new connections. But the thing is, I don't know how I'm gonna fix this. I'll try to see if I have in some local shop this part right here, because this will leak for sure. Let's go. So guys, I was able to find a new part at least in a local shop, so let's install the new connections and test to see if everything is working, or at least if it will work. Let's go. So guys, I take the car for a ride and everything at least seems to be working fine. Of course I don't have it right now, I don't need it also, but guys, I don't... I will have to disassemble everything to replace the intercord, so I will leave it for the last thing to do in this car, because I need time and a bit of space, because I cannot do that in one day. And right here I don't have a garage, and you know, so I'll need to take the car to my mother house and do this kind of shocks. So probably will be the last thing that I will be doing in this car, or one of the last things that I'm gonna do. So guys, my main concern right now is to finish the engine and then go to the interior, because I have a bunch of new things to install in this car in the interior. And guys, to be honest, I just did this because I don't have any option right now. But if you need to do it, just do it. But you know, it's not the kind of thing that I truly recommend to do. There is a lot of people that do that, but it's an option. So guys, this video is not like do it yourself, it's just to show that things are not running so well. But guys, thanks for watching, see you soon, stay tuned.